Hey guys, let's take a look at this one. A student was asking me about help with solving log equations. So this is an exponential equation. We'll use logs to solve it. So the first thing we're going to do is, because -8 is times this that has the exponent, we're going to divide both sides by -8. And we're left with 16 to the x plus 5. That does not look like it's in the exponent. Let me keep that up there. Equals, and then this is 8.5. So two negatives will be a positive. 68 divided by 8 is 8.5. All right. So when you have this exponential situation, what you can do is apply the log rule that says we're going to bring the exponent in front and have the log of 16. So x plus 5 times the log of 16 equals the log of 8.5. And so we're going to divide both sides by log of 16. We're trying to remember to solve for x. So log of 16. All right. Okay, so a lot of you are using a graphing calculator when you get to this point with logs. You can use it with other scientific calculators too if they have the log function. So I'm going to say log of 8.5. And that's divided by the log of 16. And I get about 0.7719 would be what that has. So let's think about over here. We've got x plus 5 left on the left side. And then the right side is approximately, so I'm going to put about 0.7719, right? That's what this is equal to. And then the last thing is just to subtract both sides by 5. And so I'm going to go over here and do -5. And I get about -4.2281, which is my solution. X is about -4.221. Nope, 81. It says to go the nearest 10,000. So 4 places for your decimal. Okay. I hope that's helpful to you. See you next time.